I'm Joe McCarthy with Meltz Extreme Grilled Cheese.
You're one of the founders of Ooozapaloooza.
Yes, ma'am.
What made you come up with this?
Well, I mean, with all the food truck craze in the last, 10, 20 years, I mean, we really needed something like this in Coeur d'Alene. We got a great mix, a little spicy and a little meaty, and we have some stuff with gorgonzola and jam, bacon jam, and
Homemade chips, of course, right?
homemade chips. We're ready for a lot of craziness and happy people getting ready to eat.
My name is Mira Kazanjan, and I am the operator of Skewers Food Truck. This is shawarma. This is like the classic Middle Eastern street food that you can't find in the Inland Northwest, so that's what I'm trying to bring here. So we have two different kinds of shawarma. So we have the chicken shawarma, and then we have beef and lamb shawarma. So it's comparable to gyros. That's what we kind of see a lot of. Difference is gyro, you see one big piece of processed meat, whereas this one is actually slices of top sirloin beef, leg of lamb. I marinate the meat myself. It's good quality meat, done fresh. You can get it in a pita wrap, you can get it in a rice bowl, you can get it in a salad. It's good stuff. And I just was sad that I couldn't find it here in the Inland Northwest, so I thought, hey, I'll do it myself. A lot of people heard it in the Avengers, so they'll ask me, oh, it's like the Iron Man and Hulk went to eat, It's like, exactly, that's what it is.
Jim with Kona Ice. I've been a carny probably for the last 20 years. I blame it on Joe, the Meltz guy, actually. So we got the flavor wave where the kids get to add their own flavors. We also have some custom flavors over here. Got a great menu out there I can show you. Speak of the devil, there's Joe right behind me.
Hi.
Good, good. And you travel all over the Inland Northwest and take your truck and hit everything you can?
Wherever there's people and wherever there's kids, Kona Ice will be there.
My name's Rachel, and I'm the owner of Black Fire Kettle Corn. Flavors are great. Right now I have a cinnamon toast pop is what I call it. Tastes like French toast. I've got caramel corn sometimes. I've got savory ones, barbecue, cheddar.
I'm Tony with Mixed Plate Food Truck. Main staples on our menu, we have a Thai dish. It's a pork saute. Comes with an awesome peanut sauce. And then we have our beef bulgogi, which is thinly sliced steak, Korean marinated dish, and then we have our island chicken. Our beer garden is sponsored by GSFTA Gives Back, which is our nonprofit that the Food Truck Association founded, and so those proceeds go to feeding the homeless and those in need, and we'll go down there when it's literally freezing this year and get donations and buy stuff ourselves and bring food, bring blankets and coats and cold weather socks, hand warmers, all that stuff.
I'm Lucca Camargo with Tacos Camargo. We serve authentic Mexican food from the states of Guadalajara, Jalisco, and Durango, Mexico. My husband wanted us to have our own business, and he wanted for me to showcase the way I cook, I guess, and he just thought it was really good and I should try it, so we just jumped into it. My daughter made our logo up, and our buddy is the one that kind of refined it and got it on our truck. Yeah, we mostly stay in Spokane and Coeur d'Alene, like in Idaho.
Tony Shields, and I'm with Llefkosa Fusion Truck. So we do fusion food, so we mix cultures and flavors and do 95% all fresh made stuff, handmade breads, even our tortillas are all fresh made. Lettuce wraps, we use live butter lettuce. I've been in the industry about 18 years here in Coeur d'Alene, and kind of my influence as a young child from 5 to 17 was going to Hawaii every year, twice a year. I would spend 2 months a year basically each year, and so I got influence from that South Pacific kind of feel of food and stuff like that, and so that's kind of the chef I am with what I make, and I'm all about fresh food, just farm fresh everything. Our main location on Best, 5 days a week.
from Tobys BBQ. We're based out of Spokane Valley. We today are doing pulled pork sandwiches, brisket sandwiches, and then a chicken thigh Italian sausage combo. We start every morning, usually about 6 in the morning. We sit by the side of the road 4 days a week, and special events, Saturdays, weddings, car shows, wherever we can get a crowd of people. I love our brisket. It's pretty amazing. It's my favorite.
I'm Frechette. I'm with the Nutty Bavarian, and as you can see, we're all about nuts. And we got all kinds of them. We've got the almonds, cashews, pecans, and the salted cashews, which are my best. Oh, look at this. It kind of melts in your mouth. This is a full half a pound, believe it or not. Normally I'm set up at the Fairchild Air Force Base at the Exchange. We're a permanent gig out there Tuesday through Friday. We're always trying new things. You never know what I'm going to come up with next, you know.
My name is Teresa Hart. I'm with New Beginnings of North Idaho. I'm the founder. New Beginnings is a veteran support program that we started like 4.5 years ago in memory of my son, Nick Newby. That's why it's spelled the way it is. Joined the National Guard in 2008, and then he was deployed in 2010 to Iraq, and we lost him to an IED July 7th of 2011. What we do is we accept donations from the community, like anything a veteran would need. So clothes, shoes, housewares, furniture, appliances, pretty much anything. And we give it to our veterans, our active military, and our Gold Star families at no charge. Everything is free.
Sabrina Sorter. I'm the Vice President of the Food Truck Association, and then I'm the Treasurer on the Board of Directors for GSFTA Gives Back, which is our nonprofit. And then I own Jamaican Jerk Pan and Green Blood Fresh Catering as well. We're serving beer today here at Ooozapaloooza 2018. We've got Wallace Brewing and One Tree Hard Cider. We're raising money for our nonprofit. My favorite beer is the Huckleberry One Tree Hard Cider. It's my favorite. There's 13 food vendors here today, and we've already eaten from a couple, so I'm going to eat some more.
I'm Marley. I'm with Jamaican Jerk Pan. Well, he gave it what he knew what to do is how to cook. Coming up from Jamaica 10 years ago, been on the street for 8 years, Spokane, buy canning coffee and cones, and then all we do is catering now. We have the response of those people that are mad that we're not on the street anymore. We have this response of those people that if they didn't like curry at one point, they love it now, and they follow us to wherever we're at. So yeah, we have a big fan of people that love our food. We brought Jamaica to you. We do special events like this.
Hi, I'm Bailey with Ben & Jerry's. We are here at Ooozapaloooza. We got 9 different flavors, 2 of them being non-dairy and vegan. One of them is a sorbet, the other one is caramel almond brittles with almond milk. Delicious. My favorite here would be sweet cream and cookies. It's got like Oreos in it, it's a sweet cream ice cream, very good. The best combo I think here, sweet cream and cookies, chocolate chip cookie dough, delicious.
My name's Tim Mitchell. I'm one of the owners of Mangia Catering, and this is our wood-fired pizza oven. We have a couple of these trailers roaming around all over the Inland Northwest doing different kind of festivals and fairs and fun events like Ooozapalooza. We're really excited to be here today to show off a few of our different pizzas that we're offering. We have a Idaho potato pizza. It's got Alfredo and bacon and a little bit of Idaho potato on top, lots of cheese, so you get that ooziness. And then also our pepperoni blast. It's got 4 different types of cheese and crispy pepperonis that are garnished on the top of it. And then our kind of fun, eccentric pizza that we're doing today is a Thai chicken pizza, and that's got a house-made peanut sauce, some shredded carrots, grilled chicken, and then it's garnished with some cilantro. So we try to do things that are a little off the wall and eccentric in different ways, but keep to the staple of that pepperoni pizza that's always here as well, and just add a little fluff with the deep-fried pepperoni. So we're excited about what we're doing here today with you guys.
I'm Eric. I'm with Cree food truck. We are super excited to be here in Coeur d'Alene. We don't get over here that often. This is a great food truck rally. Today we've got our number one seller, our Thai rice bowls and our Thai rice burritos. We serve those with chicken and tofu. We do those vegetarian, vegan, and gluten-free. We've got our Cubano sandwich, which is our signature truck sandwich, and our specialty sandwich, which is our Italian. Hot capicola, salami, pepperoni, banana peppers, red wine vinegar, provolone. Fantastic on a day like today. We're Monday through Friday on campus at Eastern Washington University, and now on weekends we're out and about at the different food truck rallies. We'll be at Fairwood Farmers Market, Kendall Yards Night Market, Food Truck Fridays, and Riverfront Park Eats on Tuesdays.